Hey everyone! Today we've got something really cool to show you. Imagine creating professional 3D animations from just a regular video. No green screen, no expensive motion capture suits, none of that high-end studio gear that costs over $5,000 or even more. Yeah, not everyone has that kind of budget. But with QuickMagic AI, you can simply record your movements anywhere, upload your video, and the platform automatically converts it into high-quality 3D animation. No special equipment needed, just record, upload, and let AI do the work. So, what exactly is QuickMagic AI? It's an online AI-powered motion capture platform that transforms regular videos into professional-grade 3D animations. It supports single and multi-user scenarios, captures full body, half body, hand movements, and facial expressions, and even lets you customize the starting pose. Whether you're a game developer, animator, or content creator, this makes motion capture easier than ever. The platform also supports mainstream animation software like 3ds Max, Motion Builder, Blender, and Maya, with seamless exports in BIP, FBX, and other formats, ensuring a smooth workflow across different creative environments. All right, first, head over to this page and click on Register. Create an account and sign in, and once you're done, you'll be on the main interface. You'll also get 50 free V-Coins per month. First impressions. The interface looks simple and user-friendly. On the editor screen, we have the Output Formats section, and right now we're on the AI Mocap feature. There's also an AI avatar option, but for now, let's focus on AI Mocap, which is the main feature for creating motion captures. Now, click on Import and add your video file. Make sure the video is in MP4 format with H.264 encoding for better optimal compatibility. Let's say I want to add this video. This one looks good. The platform starts analyzing the video, and here it detects the person in the frame. Next, let's adjust the timeline and trim this part. Now, in the Output Format section, choose the format you prefer. There are options for FBX, Mixamo, Unreal Engine 4, Cinema 4D, and even face capture. Let's go with Boy FBX. Just drag and drop it onto the detection area. Now, the AI captures the person's movement and converts it into a 3D FBX model. You can also choose other formats if needed. Once that's done, click Next, give it a name, and leave everything set to default with full body tracking. This process will cost 10 V-Coins, which depends on the timeline length. Finally, click Generate Now. It'll take some time to process. Meanwhile, let's try another one. As usual, click on Import, and I'll add this video. Same process. Drag and drop the FBX file. Now, if your video has multiple people, you can import it as well. As you can see, the AI has detected 2 people. Simply drag and drop the FBX for both, or choose other formats if you prefer. Once that's done, click Next, and then Generate Model. Now, let's also try the face capture feature. I'll import a face video, and as you can see, the AI automatically detects the face. Just drag and drop the face model, then click Next. The face functionality is already selected, so now just hit Generate. All right, one of the videos has already finished processing. Let's open it up. And there you go. It has perfectly captured the motion, like the person walking down the stairs. If you want to make adjustments, you can regenerate it with the 2D refinement option. This lets you fine-tune key points at each frame. So if there are any slight errors, you can set key poses, adjust values, and refine the model. But honestly, from my side, this model already looks pretty solid. Once you're happy with it, click Download. The model will be saved as a zip file. All right, this one's done. Let's open it up. And look at this, guys. We didn't use a green screen, motion capture suits, or any expensive equipment. Just a regular video, and it worked perfectly. Even the face capture looks great. It has accurately tracked facial expressions and movements. After downloading, extract the zip files. Here, I've got 5 3D models downloaded. Once extracted, you'll see them as FBX files, which you can import and use in Blender, Motion Builder, or other 3D software. Now, let's import the FBX file into Blender. Select the model file you downloaded. or you can drag and drop the file in here. And there it is. And honestly, this looks insane. It's actually perfect. Let's also add another object into the same scene. I'll place this FBX model inside a house, and there you have it. It's all set. Overall, QuickMagic AI makes motion capture surprisingly simple and accessible. The ability to turn a regular video into a 3D animation without any special equipment is impressive. Plus, with support for major formats and software like Blender, 3ds Max, and Maya, it fits right into existing workflows. Whether you're an animator, game developer, or content creator, this platform offers a smooth and efficient way to bring your ideas to life. From my experience, the results look great, and the process is straightforward, making it a solid choice for anyone looking to explore motion capture. As for pricing, this platform offers a free plan with 50 V-coins per month. And if you need more, you can purchase additional coins. With flexible pricing, you only pay for what you use, making it a great value for both casual users and professionals. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments about your experience with AI-based motion capture systems. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye!